Well, in the last one, I showed you how to get a sum of the villains that were caught, but maybe we want to reduce this down to just the maximum number of villains that any one hero caught. So if we want to do that in a reducer, then we're saying take the previous value and the current value. What is the current value? Well, the current value is going to be this entire array right here, or this entire array right here. And so what we want to do is we want to return the bigger number. So what we want to do is we want to see if the previous number is bigger than the current hero's number of villains caught, then we want to return the previous number. Otherwise, we want to return the current hero's number of villains caught. And we'll start our count at 0 because no one in our array caught 0. So if we save this and we reduce it down, we get 20. 20 was the maximum number of villains caught. You could reverse this here just by reversing this, and that would give us the smallest number of villains caught. And if we come over, 0 was the smallest number of villains caught. Now, if you look at our array, you'll notice that 0 is not in there. And why was that? Well, it's because we said our initial value is 0. So what we want to do is we want to set the initial value to like 1,000 because no one in here caught 1,000. And if we come over, it has now been reduced down and we see that 1 was the minimum number of users caught.